Yeah. Lions share. Lion is very important animal in the for jungle. So if we are giving a share to lion, how will be giving? We will give a respectable way, a very nice part we will give to lion. That is the meaning for that lion share. Very special. Next one, let the cat out of the bag. Keeping the secret, keeping the secret very secret way, but someone is releasing it out. Next one, put the cart before the horse. Put the cart before the horse. Cart, when we are arranging a journey or traveling, we are putting the cart and horse together. Horse will be going first and cart will be behind. But if we are doing the cart in front of the horse, it will be do something difficult. It's not in a proper order. So that is the answer from that. Next one, get all your ducks in a row. Ducks are animals. So if we are getting all the ducks in a row, it's a very good method. So that is the answer giving here. Next one, like a duck to water. Water is being in the water for a whole day is very difficult task for the human beings. But for the duck, it is simply and nicely doing without any fear. So you can get the answer from that. And next one, a wolf in a sheep's clothing. A wolf in sheep's clothing. A wolf is wearing sheep's clothes and inside outlook we can see the outlook very innocent, but inside it's very harmful. பசுந்தோல் போர்த்திய புலின்னு சொல்லுவோம். Same thing here. Here meanings are given. So I think you'd have understood all the meanings. Did you understand, children? Valencia
Yes.
meaning. Yes,
Yes,
I'm giving
teacher.
1 minute to match. Okay, children.
The best.
The
The
best
best largest part of something.
The best or largest part of something. Special part, no? Next one. Let the cat out of the bag.
To tell a secret by mistake.
To tell a secret by mistakenly. Okay, next one. Put the cart before the horse.
To put all the things in the wrong order.
Wrong order. The correct order is first horse and after that cart. But here, first cart and horse is after that. So it's wrong order, showing the wrong order. Next one, like a duck to water.
to be well organized.
Without any
Like a duck to water.
without any fear of
Without
problem.
any fear or problem. Like தாரா வந்து தண்ணியில முழு நாளும் கிடக்கும். எந்த ஒரு பயமும் இல்லாம எந்த பயமும் இல்ல தாரா. அதத்தான் இங்க இன்னைக்கு சொல்லுது. Without any fear or problem. ஒரு பிரச்சனையும் இல்ல. அதுக்கு காய்ச்சல் வராது. It won't get headache or fever or nothing will happen for duck. Next one. A wolf in sheep's clothing.
Seems
Seems to be harmless but really an enemy. Seems to be harmless. பார்த்தா அப்பாவி தோற்றம் but really an enemy. ஆனா பொல்லாத சாமான். Okay. Have you corrected the answers, children?
yes.
Teacher.
Is Shahna absent to the class today? Shahna, Hamda also absent, no? Hamda, Riha, what happened to Riha? 3 idioms in activity 7 and construct sentences. Select 3 idioms. Altogether 6 idioms are given above. One example is also given. example is given here. We secretly arranged a welcome party for our new teacher, but Subhashi let the cat out of the bag. நாங்க சீக்கிரட்டா ஒரு வெல்கம் பார்ட்டி ஒன்று எங்களோட நியூ டீச்சருக்கு அரேஞ்ச் பண்ணி இருந்தோம். பட் சுபாஷின்னு சொல்ற கேர்ள் வந்து பூனையா ஊத்துட்டா என்ன? பூனையா ஊத்துட்டாவா? Secret. She released the secret out. Okay. So I like that. You are going to create some sentence, 3 sentences for any 3 idioms. Can you tell me one sentence now from your own?
The new student adapted to the school environment like a duck to water.
The new student adapted to the
School environment like a duck
yes,
to
like a duck to water. தண்ணியில தாரா 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 இருக்கிறே போல தாராக்கு தண்ணி எடிக்டட். அது என்ன செஞ்சாலும் அது கொண்டு அதே போல புதுசா வந்த கேர்ளுக்கு என்ன பிள்ளைக்கு என்ன நினைச்சா ஸ்கூல் என்வாயன்மெண்ட்டுக்கு அடாப்ட் ஆகி இருக்கிறா. வாட் எல்ஸ்? Other children? Okay, now we are moving to next question. Activity 9. Activity 9. Here, again, masculine and feminine. It's easy. Simple questions are given. Man,
Woman.
woman.
woman. Man, woman. None. Who is none?
Father.
Father. None in the father இல்ல. சர்ச்ல இருப்பாங்க லேடிஸ்.
Churchல
கன்னியாஸ்திரி நான் சொல்றது.
churchல இருக்கிறோம்.
Oh, ladies. So masculine, monk. Masculine is monk. Uncle,
Aunt.
Aunt.
aunt. AUNT, aunt. Wife,
Husband.
husband. My wife, husband. Actor,
Actress.
actress. ACTRESS. Nephew,
Niece.
nephew, niece. Lass,
Lad.
lad. Lady,
Gentleman.
masculine. Given in masculine column, but it's wrongly given. It should come under feminine column. So lady, feminine is lady. Then who is the masculine?
Gentleman.
Gentleman, no. Gentleman, gentle lady. Lord, Lord, lady. நாங்க இந்த அரசியலுக்கு இது பண்ணக்குள்ள எப்படி சொல்றது தமிழ்ல? இந்த லார்ட் லேடி எல்லாம் அரசு கிங்குக்கு குயினுக்கு பாவிக்கிற வேர்ட் தான் இந்த லார்ட் லேடி எல்லாம். இந்த கதைகள்ல பாப்பீங்க பாருங்க, ராஜ கதைகள்ல. நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன், goddess.
God.
King,
Queen.
queen. Activity 10. Fill in the blanks with the plural forms of the nouns given in brackets. There are two branch in the
Benches.
bracket. The branch,
Benches.
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 Yes, added. Yes, added. Next one, baby.
Babies.
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 Lorry.
Lorries.
Lorries. Look at those two lorries. None of them are ours. அந்த ரெண்டு லொரிகளையும் பாருங்க. None of them are ours. இதுல ஒன்றுமே எங்கட இல்ல. எங்கடது ஒன்றும் இல்லன்னு தான் சொல்லிக்கு. She ate 3
Mangoes.
mangoes. ES added after lunch. The baby has 3
Teeth.
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 Teeth. There were piles of
Boxes.
boxes. Simple question. Segment. Activity 11. Find a Sri Lankan folk tale and write your own version of it. Sri Lanka folk tale mean what? நாங்க already stories. Folk tale. என்னம்மா? Somebody answer. Shakila. வாய் வலிக்கதைகள். வாயால கற்பனைக்கு அப்பாற்பட்ட நடக்க முடியாத விஷயங்கள் எல்லாம் கற்பனையால கட் பண்ணி கற்பனையில வடிச்சு உருவாக்குன கதை தான் இந்த folk tale. There are a lot of folk tales in Sri Lanka. நாட்டுப்புற கதைகள்னு சொல்லி போட்டும் வரும். நிறைய கதைகள் இருக்குது. Find a Sri Lankan folk tale and write your own version of it. You can find for us folk tale in Sri Lanka. You can search and see in internet or YouTube. After that, from your own version, you can write a small story, children. Okay, next one, activity 12, puzzle. Fill in the puzzle with the plural form of each word. In the other page, a lot of words are given there. 20 words are given there. You are going to make those words into plural. First word is tooth. Sorry, man. What is the plural for man?
Men.
Men. Next one, tooth.
Teeth.
Hammer.
Hammers.
Yes, said it. Snake.
Leaves.
Snake. Bush.
Bushes.
Party.
Parties.
Party spelling.
Parties.
Parties. Because here the word party is ended with Y letter, standing with the consonant letter. So we omit the Y and I added here. Foot.
Feet.
Leaf.
Leaves.
BES. Bench.
Benches.
Box.
Boxes.
Girl.
Girls.
House.
Houses.
Story.
Stories.
IES. Stories. 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 Finger.
Fingers.
Shoe. Shoes. Knife.
Knives.
Sock.
Socks.
Basket.
Baskets.
Goose.
Geese.
Goose, geese. That is irregular
Geese.
plural. Goose, geese is irregular plural. And foot, feet, tooth, teeth. These are man, men, irregular plurals. Irregular plurals means what? Other than adding es and s, other words are irregular plurals. Okay, children. Go once again.